Chinese startup Monica has developed a new AI model called Manus, which is being compared to top models from OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. Manus is described as a general-purpose AI capable of handling complex tasks independently without constant supervision, making it a significant advancement in the tech world. Let's know first what is Manus. Manus is an autonomous AI agent capable of thinking, planning, and executing real-world tasks. It delivers complete results such as researching, writing, generating charts, and packaging reports on global warming. Manus can handle tasks like trip planning, stock analysis, and interactive courses from a single prompt, ensuring efficient and effective communication. But why is Manus so special? Manus is a unique tool that can work independently and interact with its environment in real time. It can browse websites, gather data, execute tasks, take screenshots, record browsing activity, and create files like PDFs or presentations, outperforming OpenAI's deep search. Now, let's take a look at its features. Autonomous task execution. Once you give it a task, Manus works on it in the cloud, even if you disconnect your device. It uses multiple platforms, like X and Telegram, to gather information and complete the job. Real-time interaction. Manus shows its workflow live, so you can see how it's processing your request. For example, when asked to plan a Japan trip, it creates a detailed itinerary while displaying its steps in real time. Personalization. Manus learns from your interactions over time, tailoring its outputs to your preferences. More than text. It doesn't just generate text, it browses the web, interacts with live pages, and creates files like spreadsheets or presentations. So, how to use Manus? Manus, an AI platform which uses a prompt to plan a trip, compiles data, and generates a detailed itinerary in real time, similar to ChatGPT, for a specific budget. For example, plan a 7-day Bali trip within a $2,000 budget. Manus is currently available as an invitation-only web preview, with no public release date announced yet. With buzz, an official rollout may occur soon. Monica plans to open source the model for developers in the coming months. In short, Manus is a powerful, autonomous AI agent that can handle complex tasks with minimal input, making it a standout in the world of AI tools. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.